What's up today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see on the lower time frame, gold has given us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade gold. First of all, let's look at monthly perspective to see the general direction in the market. As you can see, this is the monthly candle, which is the last week of the month, 3.5 days remaining. We see that gold so far this month is significantly bullish after the previous monthly. This bullish engulfer bounced from this very significant level of monthly support. We have seen that after this bullish engulfer this month, as soon as market open, the sellers couldn't make any effort to the downside. As a result, we have seen the buyers took full control, created an impulsive move to the upside. Now, after a significant retracement on the monthly, gold is now pushing to the upside. As there is a long wick at the top on the monthly and only a couple of days remaining, we could see another impulse to the upside on the lower time frame, as now this is a long term bull market. Looking at weekly time frame, what we see that on the weekly perspective, double doji has been created on the weekly, almost triple doji. Now the previous 2 weeks, what we have seen, 3 weeks in fact, the price was creating series of higher lows and dojis. Now the previous week, what we have seen, a bullish doji. This is a shooting star. As you can see, it has formed this candle which has a higher low and also a healthy green body that has crossed the previous 2 weeks high, giving us a high probability for bullish setup. Now, as you can see, yesterday this market open which was with a low volatility, but at the same time, if you closely look at on the weekly, we see that there is a gap opening with a weakless candle, which is a sign of strong bullish move. As you can see, back to back 2 weeks, the price has created long wick candles. Highly likely that the price will at least come back to the resistance on this weekly resistance and could break this high, or at least we can see gold is testing this level before creating any move to the downside or upside. That means that on the weekly perspective as well, highly likely that gold will continue to rise. Now, if we look at the daily time frame, we see that on the daily perspective, the price action also is bullish. The price was moving along this channel on the daily time frame. This is the support on the daily after the creation of a double bottom here. As you can see, there's an impulse correction. Now, every time the price was creating series of higher high and higher low. So when we have seen the price fail to create a higher high, we have seen significant drop. Now, followed by the previous 2 days, we see narrow doji on the green doji on the daily perspective. Now today we have seen the price open with a gap with a weakless candle, giving us a potential for bullish move. Now this is the daily chart where we can see first move on the gold. Now as you can see, this is the daily doji, which is the high of this move, and we at least can expect now the price to come back at least to test this level on the lower time frame or even breaking this high, giving us a potential bullish setup on the lower time frame. Now if we look at the intraday perspective, we see that gold in fact there is a narrow gap opening here. There was no volatility yesterday due to the market closure in some areas, and followed by today we have seen a very giant bullish engulfer followed by a doji. Now this is a bullish price action. As you can see, a strong bullish engulfer in an important level followed by a doji. It's a bullish price action. So what we can expect later today, the price to come for a deeper retracement along this zone, and as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity along this zone with a bullish price action, we will consider going long on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you will be trading gold. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.